Machine learning, as the name suggests, is the science of programming a computer by which they are able to learn from different kinds of data. Previously, people used to perform machine learning tasks by manually coding all the algorithms and statistical formulas. This made the process tedious, time-consuming, and inefficient. But nowadays, this has become very much easy and efficient due to the use of various Python libraries, frameworks, and modules. Today, Python is one of the most popular programming languages for this task, and it is replacing many languages in the domain of machine learning. One of the major reasons is its vast collection of libraries. There are various libraries available in Python which allow you to work upon the machine learning techniques. To name a few, we have stats models, which was originally developed with the intention of performing and running statistical tests. With respect to machine learning, it can be used to generate statistical outputs and test the hypothesis. It also supports some of the machine learning algorithms. In case of supervised machine learning, you can perform linear regression and logistic regression using stats model-like libraries. The next and the most popular with respect to the predictive modeling is the scikit-learn library. It is built on top of the two main libraries, NumPy and SciPy, which are the base libraries of Python. Scikit-learn supports most of the supervised and the unsupervised machine learning algorithms. Some of the admired group of models supported by scikit-learn comprises of supervised models, parameter tuning, dimensionality reduction technique, clustering, feature selection, and cross-validation. Another major library related to deep learning is Keras. It is a high-level neural networks API written in Python. It is a flexible and a user-friendly library used for developing neural networks and runs on TensorFlow and Theano. Keras runs flawlessly on CPUs and GPUs, supports recurrent and convolutional neural networks and their combinations. This library comprises of a lot of neural network building blocks like the optimizers, the layers, the functions, the tools to enable working upon textual and image data. There are some other libraries like Theano and PyTorch which are getting popular. Theano allows maximum optimization and utilization of the CPUs and the GPUs, which enhances the overall performance of the multi-dimensional arrays. PyTorch is getting prominent because it is backed up by the Facebook's artificial intelligence research team. But the major name in the deep learning domain is TensorFlow. TensorFlow is a very popular open source library for high performance computational of numeric data, developed by the Google's Brain team in Google. Distributed computing is one of the major advantages of TensorFlow, in particular amongst multiple GPUs. They consist of built-in functions and modules for visualization and serialization. It can train and run deep neural networks that can be built to develop several artificial intelligence applications. So if you are using Google Photos or Google Voice Search, then indirectly you are using the models developed with TensorFlow. The community of Python is constantly engaged in coming up with newer and better libraries and functions which can ease the difficult task of building artificial neural networks and other machine learning techniques.